I got to move. Oh, I gotta get next to you. But you're so far away. Searching for a heart another world away. You're the fire go.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today it's gonna be a cooking vlog. I'm gonna make white rice and corned beef using mixed vegetable. I hope you guys enjoy because I'm gonna chef it up in my kitchen. So guys, stay tuned, watch, learn something new, and see if you could try it at home. Stay tuned guys. So guys, that's all the ingredients that I'm gonna use. We have pepper here, pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. We have scallion. We have onion, white onions. We have tomato. We have the Grace Jamaican black pepper, brown black pepper. It's a Caribbean tradition. We have the mixed vegetable here. This is the frozen mixed vegetable. So guys, I'm gonna just put it to scald, to just put it in hot water in the stove and water and just scald it off. So guys, I'm gonna use 1 cup of mixed vegetables. It's frozen, the frozen mixed vegetables. So guys, I'm just boiling off the hardness because it's frozen mixed vegetables. So I'm just boiling off the hardness of the ice and everything. So it's good now. I could use it now. So yes guys, so leave it for roughly say a minute or 2. Yes, so it could get a little bit tender. Okay, so let's get to the other process. So guys, I'm adding oil. I'm adding a little oil, not a lot of oil, just adding a little. Now I'm gonna let it heat up a little bit, and then I'm gonna add all the seasoning to my oil. So first I'm gonna add the scallion. Oh my god guys, I wish you could smell this right now. I'm adding the onions, the white onions. I'm adding the hot pepper. I'm just gonna lose a little bit because my husband, he doesn't like spicy. And you know, we Jamaican, we use spice. So, yep. And I'm gonna add my tomatoes. Okay, now I'm gonna put tomato water in there. Leave that so everything could become transparent. All my seasoning. Oh my god, I wish you guys could smell that. Leave this for roughly say, yes, just leave it until it gets transparent. Leave it like a roughly for 4 minutes or 3 minutes. Yes. So guys, my seasoning, they're transparent. So now I'm gonna add the corned beef. I'm gonna add the corned beef. I have another one, and I'm using the entire tin, the entire can of corned beef. This is it. I'm just gonna let it cook a little bit. Yes guys, I'm adding my mixed vegetables and this smells so good. Let me call my husband and ask him if he smells it. Babe, husband, do you smell this?
Yes, it smells good. What is it?
It's corned beef and mixed beef. Corned beef and what is it? Mixed vegetables.
You put it in spicy style, right?
No, I didn't. So guys,
Yes, I'm lying.
no, I'm not lying. So guys, that's it. The corned beef doesn't take long to cook. Just warm it up with all of this thing in it. Yes, guys, it's all finished. And I forgot to mention, you don't need to add salt to the corned beef, to the mixture of this. You don't need to add salt because corned beef already have salt in it. So if you add salt, it's gonna be salty. So yes, it's perfect. Over here we have white rice. Let me check it and see if it's cooked. Yep. See, my rice is so shelly. Yeah. White rice. Yes. So I'm gonna turn off all my heat. I'm gonna turn off the stove. So guys, that's the finished product. My rice is good. Corned beef, oh my god, it's so good. I'm gonna dig in now, guys. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna dig in now. So guys, thank you for watching. Enjoy.